Why is it so hot? I mean, I can't even. Fingers crossed. Hi, the point of this video is just to show you guys how the vaccination process works and to document my own journey to encourage you all as well to get vaccinated and make the process more known. I made sure none of the healthcare workers were disturbed or I did not waste anybody's time. Also, please be kind to the staff and doctors working there. They are under tremendous pressure and they don't control the circumstances. I understand you might get frustrated, but please be polite to them. It is so bloody hot and look how much I'm sweating. अभी बज रहा है 8:30 and we have to leave for my vaccination जो एकदम randomly हुआ है. I don't know, I still don't have the confidence कि आज हो जाएगा कि नहीं होगा, but fingers crossed, hoping for the best. कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते. At the gate itself, they are checking the appointment to make sure that you are at the right place at the right time. After which you go inside and are given a token number, and the payment process started soon after, where they again checked our appointment number, our Aadhaar card, our registered mobile number. And finally, we were transferred to the final waiting room, which was right before getting the shot. It might look really cool that I was taking my own video and everything, but अंदर से मेरी बहुत फटी हुई थी और मैं बस हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ रही थी, to be very honest. Okay, sorry about that weird voice. God, thank God. Okay, so I'm back home and took a shower, changed my clothes, had some water, had some biscuit. I obviously did a proper breakfast before going, which is very very important. And I don't even know how well or badly have I vlogged the entire process because ऐसे ही बहुत सारा पेपर्स था. Nobody else was allowed, so I was really scared and I'm really scared of injections and all. ये हाथ भी मैं ज़्यादा नहीं हिला सकती. I am really scared of injections in general and also of hospitals in general. So I was very scared. Thankfully हो गया and I got Covaxin. I wanted Covishield, but ऐसे मेरे को कोई नहीं फर्क पड़ता. आप दे दो कुछ भी, दे दो जो भी है, कुछ भी है, कुछ लगे तो. I got vaccinated at 10:35 exactly. अभी बज रहे हैं 12:20 and so it's been like almost 2 hours. I don't feel anything as such except like obviously this hand feels heavy. मतलब इतने दिन तक इस हाथ में दर्द था, अभी ये थोड़ा थोड़ा ठीक हुआ. अभी 2 दिन यहाँ तो रहेगा I guess. तो यहाँ थोड़ा heaviness है, I will not lie. And the obviously एक बार लगता तो है because you are like getting injected, so of course थोड़ा सा दर्द होता है. I will not say कि नहीं होता है, but हाँ थोड़ा दर्द हुआ पर चलता है. हाँ थोड़ा दर्द हुआ पर चलता है. जो भी. I'm in such a high mood right now. I don't know why. I mean, I know why, because this happened out of pure sheer luck. Okay, कल रात को 8 बजे एक slot book हुआ था मेरा. That was for a hospital in Havra. And अपने आप out of nowhere in like 15-20 minutes अपने आप cancel हो गया. I don't know why it got cancelled. I have zero idea. Maybe it was a glitch in the system, but cancel हो गया. And I was just like very sad. Even cried for like half an hour. I was like इतने मुश्किल से तो एक slot मिला है. And यहाँ की government को अपना झगड़ा, अपना करप्शन बचाने में जिंदगी बिता देनी है. हमारे वैक्सीनेशन स्लॉट्स खोलेंगे नहीं ये लोग. एंड आई वाज वेरी पिस्ड येस्टरडे. एंड रात तो ऑब्वियसली वो फर्स्ट टाइम मेरा मूड खराब हो चुका था. एंड ऑब्वियसली आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू गेट अ स्लॉट सिंस सो लॉन्ग. कल रात को राइट बिफोर आई वाज अबाउट टू फॉल अस्लीप, 1 बजे रात को, आई जस्ट ओपन द ऐप. आई वाज अबाउट टू एक्चुअली क्लोज द टैब एंड उसमें रैंडमली ये जो ये वाला पिन कोड था, दिस वाज फॉर चारनॉक सिटी हॉस्पिटल, यहाँ का पिन कोड डाला हुआ था. एंड उसमें अचानक से मेरे को एक येलो दिखा, लाइक 1 स्लॉट दिख रहा था. आई वेंट एंड उस टाइम पे लॉग आउट हो गया बिकॉज बहुत देर तक आई हैड नॉट यूज्ड इट. अगेन आई वाज लाइक नहीं चलो, एंड आई डिड इट. एंड लॉगिन के बाद भी एक स्लॉट दिख रहा था एंड thankfully it happened. Okay, if you get a slot and बहुत बार क्या हो रहा है ना, if you like slot दिखा रहा है, slot पे जाने के बाद तुम टाइम स्लॉट सेलेक्ट करते हो, उसके बाद तब बताता है इट्स बुक्ड. डोंट गिव अप उस टाइम पे, कीप ट्राइंग इट 5 to 6 टाइम्स. 2-4 बार टाइम स्लॉट एक एक चेंज कर करके ट्राई करते रहो. कैप्चा वाला जो पेज एक आ जाता है उस पे जाके, बिकॉज बहुत लोग का ना वहां से हो जा रहा है. लाइक पहले दिखा रहा है कि नॉट अवेलेबल, लाइक कंप्लीटली बुक्ड, बट करते गए तो हो गया. सो इफ यू आर if you are looking to book, you can try it out. I think हो जाएगा. मेरा भी ऐसे ही हुआ. 5 to 6 times I did. 5 to 6 times submit किया, तो 5 बार तो बोला कि नहीं, 6 time हो गया, randomly हो गया. And सुबह भी I was dreading. I was like please ये cancel नहीं हो जाए. इसीलिए सुबह I woke up. It's not like I woke up late or anything, but subah I did not vlog because I was like, I just don't want it to be like a failed vlog. Apart from that, they are sab theek tha. At least the place I went to, everything was very systematic. It cost me what, 1500, but everything was very systematic and sab अच्छे से हो गया. There was no chaos. भीड़ थी, but it was like everyone was maintaining social distancing. Everyone had masks on. Even a lot of people had face shields. So it was all in all काफी safe feel हो रहा था. All in all, I had a good experience and I'm just glad हो गया. So the woman who was giving me the vaccine, she just told me अगर रात को fever आए तो paracetamol खा लो. देखते हैं, I don't know. I probably will take a paracetamol right away only because my parents did that and second dose के बाद उनको कोई भी side effect नहीं हुआ था. So yeah. I was more scared because ना अंदर किसी को allow नहीं कर रहा है. If two of you are getting vaccinated संग में, तो that's different. But I was alone because my parents have already been vaccinated and मेरे parents का दोनों dose हो चुका है. They have been vaccinated. My brother is not gonna get vaccinated right now. He recently recovered from COVID. बची मैं and it was such a random slot, तो obviously मेरे कोई cousins के साथ भी नहीं जा सकती. As I said, I'm really scared of injections, but honestly blood test में जितना pain होता है ना खून लेने में, मेरे को उसमें बहुत pain होता है. And last injection that I took was a tetanus shot in 2019. उसमें कम दर्द हुआ था, उसमें थोड़ा सा दर्द हुआ था. इसमें उससे भी कम दर्द. इसमें literally maybe I've become more mature or maybe I was just excited कि vaccination हो रहा है. But इसमें it just felt like a literally like a pinch it felt. और जब मतलब वो first pinch चला गया था ना, तो उसके बाद थोड़ी देर तक रहता है, तब थोड़ा जो pain हुआ था वो उसमें हुआ था. But it was like very quick. It took like what exact, I think the sitting on that chair and getting vaccinated was a 46-second process because I took the video also that I'm sure I've already inserted in this vlog. And yeah, I'm in a I have a lot of adrenaline, so I'm just gonna go and rest a little. Hi, so this is exactly, I think this, so right now अभी बज रहे हैं 9:30 रात के. I was supposed to shoot this thing in the morning. I thought after 24 hours of the vaccination would be a good time, but it was so hot today ना कि मेरा एकदम मन नहीं किया to sit in front of the camera and shoot the video. Anyway, I'm doing it right now, right before I upload the vlog. So I thought of just telling you guys about how the experience how the after effect of the COVID vaccine has been. I thankfully suffered no symptoms. After coming back home, I had lunch and I took a paracetamol. Also, I'm really sorry because I look so white, but I think it's the lighting. Thoda sa gadbad hai. I really can't fix it anymore. I took a paracetamol and I slept for a few hours. After I woke up, like this entire hand was very stiff and I could definitely feel like discomfort in my hand. On a scale of 1 to 10, I think it was like a 7.5 to 8. Moving my hand, I could definitely feel the stretch here. आज सुबह the pain and like the discomfort had decreased and बस यहाँ तक में था. And right now it's really just in this area, like exactly जहाँ shot है उसके आसपास है. And when I'm moving my hand तब पता चल रहा है, but in a general situation if I'm just sitting then I do not feel any discomfort and that I think is great. I was lucky enough कोई मेरा कोई symptom आया नहीं. But it might be because I took the paracetamol, because I did okay, please do consult your own doctor before doing that. I did that because like our family doctor had advised us, and my parents had done that for their second dose, and none of them got any symptoms, so that is why I did it. Please do that on your own risk. Everything that I mention here, none of this is official information. I am not a source of official information. I am just sharing my experience. Apart from that, okay, so let me answer some of the FAQs. So which vaccine did I get? I got the Covaxin. मेरे को जो मिल रहा था, मेरे को जहाँ slot मिला, इतनी मुश्किल से slot मिला था, तो जहाँ मिला जो मिला I took it. It cost me 1,500 rupees and not a penny more. The cost of it was 1,500, and I know it is expensive, but if you can afford it, then please do go ahead with it. Next question: how did I book the slot? On the Covin website, there is no other way. The best way to do it is on your like a laptop or a desktop. Log in there, like वहाँ पे log in करके रखो दिन भर. There are Telegram channels that will update you and notify you whenever slots come in. And Calcutta में and Bengal में slots बहुत कम आ रहे हैं, but I will leave the links for that down in the description box below, because I know a lot of people are struggling to get slots, and especially they're like for the second dose of vaccine are struggling. So the Telegram links that I have, the channel links that I have, वो description box में रहेगा. So join that and stay alert. There is really no other way to do this. Matlab, the Telegram channels are the closest to a hack that I know, but apart from that, I don't think there is another hack yet. And it's really like God, Allah और भगवान तीनों के जब रहम बरसेगी तुम पे तब हो जाएगा. That is the only solution that I have found. Coming on to how was the process, it was very smooth, especially in the place that I went to. सब कुछ बहुत systematically हुआ. As soon as I went, they gave us tokens with serial numbers, and everything happened according to those serial numbers. The only times the lines were broken was for senior citizens. 60 plus people can still get their vaccination done, like walk-in vaccination मिल रहा है उन लोग को, as far as I know. So if you know someone who's like 60 plus and needs it, शायद हो जाएगा walk-in. It was very systematic, very well taken care of. Everything was clean, sanitized. Everything was very clean. Everyone was wearing masks, and in fact the staff there was making sure that everyone is following social distancing and not touching unnecessary things, and keeping it hygienic, clean, and everything. I am very glad that I went there. Now that this is very funny, but everyone has asked me this, that how did you take your own video? Like they were not allowing to take pictures. I really don't know. Like I did not ask anyone, because like जहाँ मैं गई थी ना, so there was this like एक चेम्बर में पीछे जाके पर्दा लगा हुआ था, वहाँ पे हो रहा था मेरा वैक्सीनेशन. सो आई जस्ट वेंट, आई स्विच्ड ऑन द कैमरा एंड आई वाज जस्ट टेकिंग इट माई सेल्फ. आई मेड श्योर आई डिड नॉट डिस्टर्ब द वुमन हु वाज डूइंग. आई डिड नॉट डिस्टर्ब एनी ऑफ द हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स, बिकॉज आई नो हाउ मच प्रेशर दे आर इन. तो उसमें मैं टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहती थी कि प्लीज़ मेरी फोटो ले लो. एंड देयर वॉज नो अदर एक्स्ट्रा लाइक हेल्पर और एनी वन देयर. शी वॉज जस्ट वन पर्सन. सो आई टुक इट माई सेल्फ. शी डिडंट स्टॉप मी, सो आई डिड नॉट स्टॉप. Payments were happening in cash. They were not accepting credit cards. You have to make sure you have Aadhaar card. What you can do is, to make it more safe, you can carry a copy of your Aadhaar card, like a Xerox copy of your Aadhaar card, and give that, because obviously it's better if random strangers don't touch your genuine Aadhaar card, and they touch something that can be discarded of later. So that might be better, that might be helpful. You can carry that. You can just show that Aadhaar card, and जब देना है उन लोग के पास एक बार submit करना पड़ता है, so वहाँ पे you can give the copy instead. Very important that I saw, like 2 people were turned away even though they had a booked, like they had their booking, but they did not pick a time slot. They did not have a time slot. So they were turned back. They were like आपका नहीं हो सकता. 2 जन को ऐसे भेज दिया. I felt so sad for them, because ऐसे इतने मुश्किल से slot मिलते ऊपर से हम लोग भेजते रहो. But हाँ, so please make sure that तुम्हारी booking जब हो रही है तब you are selecting the time slot as well. You will get a message whenever your slot is booked. उसमें टाइमिंग दिखाएगा और एक प्रिफर्ड टाइम स्लॉट दिखाएगा. दोनों होना चाहिए तभी तुम्हारा अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स्ड है, नहीं तो इट विल नॉट बी अ फिक्स्ड अपॉइंटमेंट. हाउ लॉन्ग डिड इट टेक? द होल प्रोसेस टुक, I reached the center at 9:15. By 9:30 they started the payment process. I think 10 बजे के आसपास से वैक्सीनेशन स्टार्ट हो गया था, and I got vaccinated at 10:35, and I was out of the center after half an hour. So by 11:15, I was out of there. Overall, exactly 2 hours it took me. The whole process took me 2 hours. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if there are other questions that you have related to the vaccination process. I will try and answer that if I know it. If not, then I will try and leave like a useful link for you. If there is someone who is still in doubt about getting vaccinated, yeah, how the process is, and you think this video might help them, so do share that with them and get vaccinated as soon as possible. I think most of us 18 to 44 group का मैं बोल रही हूँ want to get vaccinated, but slots ही नहीं है ना, तो कहाँ से वैक्सीनेट करेंगे. सो आई विल नॉट से दैट आई अर्ज यू ऑल टू गो आउट एंड गेट वैक्सीनेटेड बिकॉज आई नो यू ऑल वांट टू, बट मतलब जब पॉसिबल हो सके लगे रहो, स्लॉट्स खोजते रहो और जैसे ही पॉसिबल हो तो कर लो वैक्सीनेशन, बिकॉज right now that is the only solution that we can think of, I guess. So yeah, bye.